Hello all and welcome to the repair video. Today I'll be saving myself £500 in a minute 40. Here we have a Hoover Candy Washing machine which is throwing up an E08 motor error, so let's get it. Disclaimer is in the video description. This is purely informative and not a tutorial. Please consult a machine specialist. Starting off, I removed the plug socket from the wall and removed the rear panel bolts to access the rear assembly of the machine. Next I pull off the motor belt and inspect if any damage or tearing. The belt looks fine. Since the belt is fine, I took a look at the motor itself, located at the bottom left, held on by 2 bolts. After loosening them with a socket, I whipped out the trusty drill attachment and removed both bolts. The next step is gently rock the motor back and forth until it comes loose. Please note the control plug is still connected along with the ground. Ideally you want to remove these first, however I had some access issues. With the motor I removed the harness, which you can see dangling to the right above the motor, and removing the ground wire. I took a quick inspection of the motor, looking for any obvious damage and taking note of the brand and serial in the event it may need replacing. I spotted an issue immediately with one of the carbon brushes, which my thumbs are currently pointing at. As you can see from the picture inside the green circle, the carbon brush appears to be missing the end. Normally these brushes ought to adjust, but in this case got stuck. To fix this, I know which holes the brushes are currently lined in, remove both screws and remove the brush which automatically pops the remainder of the carbon brush out. The rest is just reverse assembly. Hope you enjoyed.